Hey everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. We are here with our last sketchbook filming of the last day of the semester here at the School of Visual Arts. And we are here with Lang. Lang, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Awesome, awesome. And so what's your dream job?
I have no idea.
And how has your first year here at SVA been?
It's been pretty good. I like how much I've improved, and I love all the friends I've made.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now let's check out your sketchbook because I like to call it one big hot mess. And I'm saying that like in a positive way. Like I love messy sketchbooks. I think they're so much fun. And what's on the left here?
Oh, this is just from someone on YouTube that I really like. Yeah, I just think their backgrounds are really nice. And this is from Witch Hat. So, how do you pronounce that? Atelier. I thought you knew French.
Atelier.
Atelier, okay.
Oh, okay. Yes, yes,
I
yes.
have these really detailed artworks that I kind of want to replicate, but also I draw too fast. But I'll slow down, maybe.
Yeah, you gotta slow down a little bit. I mean, it's nice to be able to have both tools in your toolbox, fast and slow.
Okay.
So that's your inspiration. And
I was gonna do the front page, but then I forgot, so.
you know, look at your denim jacket. It looks like your sketchbook. It's super busy. Love it, love it. And tell me a little bit about this page here.
I really like video games, and sometimes I guess I hyperfixate on a character and then.
Really?
Yeah. Yay.
Beautiful.
Continued.
I'm sorry?
The reset technician.
No, I haven't seen that. Sorry. Sorry, YouTube.
Here's a part 2 of that.
Hold on.
Sorry.
Ah, I love the energy. And what's this, a digital piece?
Yeah, I don't like it that much, but I do like the style. So
Well, we're gonna zoom in really close to it. It's really nice.
Thank you.
Wow.
These are just notes.
And you're just drawing out of your imagination over here on the left page?
Yeah, there's a lot of that.
Excellent. I love the messiness. Love the messiness.
More notes and some chums.
So this sketchbook has been used.
Yeah.
You've gotten your money's worth out of this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. Love all this stuff. Tell me about this page.
Oh, this was I watched Puss in Boots and I really liked it. So
Excellent.
I wish I would have done more, but I don't know.
I love the red marker with the black. That's like my favorite color combo.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Oh, and this is, I love this page. I know you don't care too much about it, but I think it's incredible. And I want to steal that from you and paint an illustration board red and then draw on top. And the horses, tell me about the horses.
We were in animation history and there was this guy, I don't remember his name, but he did take photos of animals in motion. And
Yes.
kind of, the whole shebang.
Yes, yes.
Here are some friends.
That's, these two pages are incredible. I love them.
Thank you. And this is some development work for my pitch Bible. It's based on 2 characters from a several-week finisher, 2-week finisher, I don't remember, that I did in high school. And I ended up developing them a little bit more into these. You can find the original finisher on YouTube. It's on my high school's animation major channel, Line Time Studios.
Wow.
It's somewhere in the 2020.
You're going to write that down for me? I'm going to put it in the
Yeah,
notes underneath the video.
I got you.
Wow, gorgeous. Super fun, lots of energy. It's the way the sketchbook should be. Very messy.
Yeah.
See, you can't even flip, it's so messy. That's how it's supposed to be.
Here's some notes and some more little doodles of something for another animation I did for an assignment. It was lip sync.
Okay. And what's your favorite tool to draw with?
I don't even know. I think I like markers now, but
So you're just really in experimentation mode.
yeah. Okay, we just.
Yeah, you got the sketchbook thumbs.
This is just some merch planning. I do have. I'm making stickers of these for a convention I'm going to tomorrow.
Oh wow, where is it?
It's at the High School of Art and Design. It's called Fanfare.
Nice.
Like the table there.
I love the usage of the Post-it notes.
I use them to cover everything up. You're
Yeah.
gonna see them a lot.
Excellent job with the back of those people's heads. Love it. Notes from class. That was back in January.
And this is Hourly Comics Day, where I gave up half through and also lied for some of
You gave up at 7:03 a.m. No, wait, I'm wrong.
No, I gave
1
up at
p.m.
yeah. I almost got it. Not really, but
Nice,
here,
nice.
pigeons.
Another great page.
I love birds. I want pigeons.
Yeah, me too. I love birds
They're
too.
so dumb. I gave them little names. This one's Duke Nuke.
I love when you see the pigeon that's like white and like a light brown beige.
Yeah,
They're
that's-
so beautiful.
They're like shiny Pokemon.
Yeah.
This page, I don't even know. I
Now,
was trying to plan out that one homework assignment here.
yes, so a little bit of thumbnail sketch. So, you know, the one thing that I try to stress to everybody is, but everyone's got an ego, I've got an ego, you've got an ego, we all do, is sketchbooks just to practice in. You know, some people just make it like some work of art thing, but it's really just for practice, pencil mileage, eye-hand coordination, notes, journal, calendar, planner, yeah. And I think you've done a really good job of, you know, making something really interesting to look at.
Yeah.
I can't talk.
It's okay, no, me neither. These are some chums from class.
Nice.
So. And I really like these.
Me too. I think they're fabulous. 5 minute and then the 10.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like Karen.
Yeah, I think it was. I don't remember. I need to draw with pencil more often. I haven't been doing that. I mean, like, what's it called? The drawing pencil? The Derwent?
The Derwent Ivory Black one.
Yeah, because I've just been using marker for the last few classes. And, I mean,
Yeah.
we don't have any more classes, but you get what I mean.
Yeah. Nice. Gorgeous gestures right there.
And if you remember that one illustration, I should have printed it out and put it here.
Yes. Yeah, you did a very good job with that.
Thank you.
And what is this one?
Oh, these are, I think they're isopods. I don't remember exactly, like roly-polies. Because there was one in my room, so I decided to draw a bunch of them.
I'll tell you, I love drawing bugs
Yeah.
and insects from the perspective class.
My favorite.
Yeah,
Next to
it's
birds.
love it. And the other really, really good thing about your sketchbook is that it has a ton of variety in it, and you're not just doing one thing, you're really experimenting.
It has you.
Oh, there I go. Okay, you gave me a little spot of hair on the top.
No,
Thank you.
that's a shine.
That's a highlight?
Yeah, that's a highlight. You
Thank
have
you. Thank you so much. Look at the detail. Love it. Wow.
And this is from when I went to the Art Students League.
And how was that experience?
It was fun. I might go back over the summer. I don't know.
I've never been there.
Yeah.
I can't believe I'm saying that, but I've never been there.
There are a lot of old people, but the class I went to in particular had more young people, so it was like more welcoming. And I do like all of them. So.
Then I'll stay at SVA.
Yeah.
I don't need to be around more old people. Excellent.
This is from my first year film idea that I ended up not doing.
Really?
Yeah, I can show you the one I did. I ended up going with something about like wizard children on a train instead of this dumb fly idea.
Super cool to look at. Ah, got some food.
Croissant.
Post-it notes make everything look good. Yellow versus blue, that's killer.
And these are just like camera angle notes.
Nice.
You're gonna see the guy with an eye patch a lot. I like him a lot.
Beautiful drawings from class in pen. You got better with your life drawing, no doubt.
Thank you.
And the cat looks great. Model looks great. That's a wonderful page. That was the gray paper that I gave, the mixed
Mhm.
media.
I might get some.
Yeah, I love that paper. So you're doing some gesture drawing with marker, layering dark line on top of light line.
Mhm.
Super fun, some torso peanut shapes. Love it. How do you like this spiral bound sketchbook?
I like it a lot because I can add more pages.
Oh, you added pages to this. That's
Yeah, you'll see by the end of this. I don't like these 2 pages that much, but you know what? It's fine.
notes on some anatomy.
The furification.
Verification of room 611C.
And speak of the devil.
Where it was Dan there that day?
Yeah,
There he
I think
is.
it's Dan.
Excellent. Super fun.
I forgot to finish this page again, but
Beautiful little tiger there. Lots of chaos. Different color post-it notes. Super pretty. Nice line. Just some sketches in class. What's this page about?
oh, I was bored in writing and thinking class, so I just wrote a bunch of notes and also just drew what I saw.
Too funny. Too funny. Pretty page. And then we had a class on legs, some notes on legs, and just some stuff outside at Madison Square Park.
Oh no, it's at Central Park.
Oh.
It was that I had a job interview and then they canceled, but I was already there, so I was just sitting out in the cold and I decided
Oh, well,
to
that stinks, but you did a
Yeah.
good job.
Yoo-hoo.
Arm studies, what to look out for when drawing arms.
And this is from when we had that one model with the feather boa and she
Yes.
like danced around everywhere.
Yeah. How to draw trees, that is really nice. A light and shade with trees. Love the creativity with the colors.
Mhm. And these are storyboards that I might use for my pitch Bible, but I don't know. It's due on Monday. I haven't
Oh my
started.
God.
Don't tell Mr. Gory.
Oh no, okay.
No, you're good. You're good.
That's okay.
If I speedrun hard enough, maybe he won't. I don't know. There's no guarantee.
Some gestures in class. Quick drawings from the model in costume.
And some more. Ignore the text. I don't know what I was doing.
Love it.
And I was gonna draw a big moth here, but then I forgot. This is based on that one time we were drawing personas of everyone, and then Dalen assigned me a moth, and it's kind of funny because that's the second time someone's assigned me a moth, so I guess that's me now. And here's the page where I draw the same character over and over again, because I really like him.
Nice. That's a fun page. So this is where you added pages.
Yeah, basically I just dismantled the sketchbook and then I just threw a bunch of new pages in.
How the heck did you even do
I
that?
don't even know. These are characters from a D&D campaign me and my friends are running.
Nice. Lots of detail, beautiful diverse color with the pens. Super fun.
They get really squished by when you get over here, I'm sorry.
That's okay. I like how it's all together like that. It's really interesting to look at. Wow, you got so much better. Look at it. So you're a details person.
I think so.
Yeah, I think so too. This is from the museum.
No,
Yes?
these are just
No,
cats.
no, there was no cats there.
Yeah, I wish there were cats. There probably were cats, I just didn't draw them.
Is that Justine?
No, that's
No, that's Dalen.
Yeah. Dalen and Dan.
Yeah, I can see Dalen flexing like that.
And these are the same characters from the Pitch Bible.
Wow. Excellent. Yeah, so detail, busyness, we're gonna say the word clutter in a positive way. That's your thing. That's a great bird.
Yeah, I like quails.
Oh,
I
this
think
was
this
from
is one of-
yesterday.
yeah,
Yes,
this
I
is one of my
remember. That
favorites.
is one of my favorite pages in your sketchbook. You've gotten so much better. So much better. Excellent.
And then I think that's it, besides the beagles.
Beautiful.
I
Beautiful.
added too many pages, because I thought we'd need like all of these for the museum, but we didn't, so.
Wow. All right. Well, Lang, thank you so much for sharing your beautiful sketchbook, and we'll post your social media down below the video.
Mhm.
All right. All right, everyone. Give Lang's video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we'll talk to you soon.